Even as the world battles the uptick in COVID 19 cases owing to the Omicron variant, scientists in France have found another variant. Which makes one thing that's very clear about COVID 19 viruses is that it can mutate and mutate and mutate. So it shouldn't be a surprise that yet another new variant has been detected in France with 46 mutations and 37 deletions in its genetic code, mainly affecting the spike protein. This variant currently bears the name B.1.640.2, temporarily dubbed the variant IHU, because a team from the Infection University Hospital Institute, that is IHU, in Marseille, France, was the first to report the variant. So, what's making this variant unique and a variant of concern? While new variants of COVID 19 are being found all the time, experts said this particular one raised eyebrows due to the fact that it has 46 mutations, which can make it more resistant to the vaccines currently being administered. This new variant has been detected in 12 patients near Marseille, France. Now, here is what we know so far of this new COVID 19 variant. Researchers say that it contains 46 mutations, even more than Omicron variant, which makes it more resistant to vaccines and infectious. Some 12 cases have been spotted so far near Marseille, with the first linked to the travel to the African country Cameroon. Test shows the strain carries N501Y mutation, first seen on the alpha variant, that experts believe can make it more transmissible. According to the scientist, it also carries the E484K mutation, which could mean that the IHU variant will be more resistant to vaccines. It is yet to be spotted in another countries or labeled a variant under investigation by the World Health Organization. Now, what about its symptoms? The December 29 study states it is not yet possible to say much at all about how fast the IHU variant spreads or what sort of illness it might cause. It reads exactly like this: it is too early to speculate on virological, epidemiological, or clinical features of this IHU variant based on only these 12 cases. Continuously changing variants are reminding us that there is no way to tell how long the pandemic will continue. Getting vaccinated against COVID 19 is a key part of prevention. Because the virus spreads from person to person, it's important to limit your contact with other people as much as possible and avoid large gatherings. Always cover your nose and mouth in public. Keep at least 6 foot distance between yourself and others around you. Wash your hands more frequently with soap and water or clean them with alcohol-based sanitizer. And always remember, in a time of fear and anxiety, there is always hope.